mobile solution. Our business objects and business logic sits in the middle, hosted out of Microsoft Azure. And there is iMarq mobile app that accesses the cloud, and the EAM system can access the cloud. So we sit in the middle also, right? Now we call it as mobile extension framework. So any communication that happens either to a mobile device or to a backend system right from day one wire through APIs, REST APIs, and we even have SOAP web services. I know for some of them it could be old, but we deal with customers who have homegrown systems and things like that. So we even support SOAP web services and REST APIs, JSON objects. So right from day one, it was API driven. Access all the data in the backend system seamlessly. This is again having enough hookups in our system so that we can coexist and connect to multiple systems at any given point of time, which also goes back to integrating with EAM, CMMS, ERP, and even proprietary applications. Right? When it comes to integration to the backend system, we have customers in all spectrum where if your EAM system has a set of APIs, a middleware layer, we can work with that API by leveraging whatever that is available with the EAM system itself. The next level is if an EAM system does not have an API, or if the customer doesn't want us to touch their API layer or their EAM, we have our own set of REST APIs using which you can push and pull data with our system. Again, standard REST APIs with JSON object. Now, the third is homegrown systems, right? If there is a EAM out there, which could be an homegrown system or an EAM system that does not have an API layer, as long as we have access to that database, as long as the customer provides the access to that environment, we are capable of creating an adapter layer so that it gets connected with our cloud environment. And I don't want to name any customers here, but we have examples on all these scenarios, working with customers where we creating an adapter for them, or working with a layer that is already available, or customer working with our API layer that is out of the box, that is available. And like I mentioned earlier, it is hosted and run out of Microsoft Azure. We support single sign-on. So single sign-on in the sense where authentication, like ADFS or Masabi, or as long as there is an API available for us to talk to, we will be able to work with that system. Again, goes back to the open architecture, API-driven open architecture.